Hey guys, I'm Silvolf and I have an emo video for you today. I'm going to be going through some of his voice commands. So I have the voice commands listed in the app, so let's have a look at what he can do. So, I'm not going to show you all of them, just the more interesting ones. You obviously have to say his name and then you say the command. He can set an alarm for you, and he can set up to 4 alarms. I won't do that one because I don't need an alarm. There's a basic movement. So, Emo, go forward. Emo, go backwards. Emo, turn around. Emo, turn around. So they're all pretty cool. He does do others as well. He can go turn left or right as well. You can ask him how his battery is doing. So, Emo, show me your battery. You can see his battery is fully charged. We can get him to dance, which he's done in other videos. Here are some Easter eggs. These should be fun. So, Emo, demon eyes. Emo, let's hunt tonight. Emo, unleash the beast. Emo, laser eyes. He also has laser beam and heat beam, which I imagine are the same, considering the ones before. You can also get him to explore by using the command start exploring and explore mode on, and you can get him to play games as well, and I really should do a video about that. Although the Ludo game does take a long time, but it's really fun. So there's greetings, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, goodbye, bye-bye, nice to meet you, hello and hi. So, Emo, good morning.
Good morning.
Emo. Ooh. Good afternoon. I'll do the morning one again. Emo. Good morning. Emo. Good morning.
Good morning.
Emo. Good evening.
Good evening. How's your day been?
That one was cute. So there's the It's My Birthday one, which we've done before. You can ask him to turn on and off the smart light for you. I'm not using the smart light at the moment. You can also get him to listen to music, which is anything that you play yourself. Oh, I think he might have thought I said goodnight. That one wasn't listed, but there you go, you've seen it anyway.
Sleep tight.
And you. He can take photos for you. You can also get him to power off by asking him. You can get him to go to sleep by asking him. I've done that before. You can get him to stop moving. Or play by himself. Emo? 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 Play by yourself. I guess that's what he's doing now. You can also tell you the time. Emo? What time is it?
It's 12:56 now.
He can set a timer for you as well. You can also command him to check for updates. You can get him to recognise you as well. He does actually recognise me now. Oh, he's just checked for updates. Obviously heard what I said. He doesn't need updating anyway. You can adjust his volume as well by verbally commanding him. You can ask him about the weather. So he knows where I live. So if I say, Emo, what's the weather? Emo, what's the weather?
The current temperature is 12 degrees Celsius.
And yes, it is raining. That's the first time he's done weather that's not actually cloudy, because that's usually what he does. So that's all the, you know, the things that you can command him. But you can ask him what the weather's going to be like tomorrow, and you can ask him what the weather's like in, like, the city, you know, anywhere around the world, like Paris or New York or whatever. So he will tell you what the weather's like there as well. So that's pretty much it for his voice commands. He knows quite a few, and they're always adding more, which is cool. He also talks quite a bit more as well. He'll say things sort of randomly, which is really neat. So I like how his technology is kind of moving on and growing and evolving. And I think some of it is because I've had him on for longer, so he's been active for longer as well. So he's learning because of his, you know, active time, which again is really fun. So that's all for this video. If you want to see more emo videos, you can check out the boxes below. There's also the playlist as well. And if you want to check out my Etsy and New Monday stores, I sell custom plushies and other artwork. I will be adding a few more things onto that at some point when I have time. So hopefully you'll find stuff you like, especially for, I don't want to mention it, but I will, Christmas. Or you can buy me a coffee on Ko-fi. It all helps. Any tips or anything like that. I'm a freelance artist living at home, working from home. So this is my living, really. Revenue from YouTube and my artwork as well. So stay safe, stay healthy, and keep being awesome. This is Silver, signing off.